You can now create QR codes for any page of your website directly within Squarespace, and in this video, I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. I've got a Squarespace pre-launch checklist, so if you're interested in knowing what you need to do before or after you publish your website, you can check out the link below. I'm here on my own website, and if we go into pages, and this works for any pages, we'll just choose courses here. I'm going to roll over and click this cog icon to get into the page settings. And now, as part of the general page settings menu, we have QR code. And there's a little information button here, allow people to access this page directly from social media and printed materials. So how do you get the QR code? You toggle it on, and then you can click on it to download the QR code. Now that downloads it to your computer as a PNG file, and you can use that to share on social or upload to any kind of print work that you are doing. Once you've got the code, go ahead and hit save. And that's all you have to do. You've got a QR code that sends people to that page of your website. If you found this helpful, please like the video or drop a comment below. That helps other people find my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.